Imagine standing 225 million kilometers away. In front of you, Mars, silent, desolate, completely still. But is this silence truly empty? Or is it hiding something? The Mastcam-Z camera aboard Perseverance recently recorded something that doesn't feel ordinary. The camera slowly scans the surface. Sand, rocks, layers. At first glance, everything seems normal. But look closer. These rocks aren't scattered randomly. Their layers are structured, almost deliberately placed. On Earth, formations like these are often shaped by water. So the question is, did water once flow here? And if there was water, could there have been life? The camera zooms in. Fine lines appear between the layers. Some rocks are fractured, but at unusual angles, as if something sudden once changed this landscape. Scientists call it natural geology. But is that the whole story? Jezero Crater wasn't chosen by accident. It is believed to have once held a vast lake, and where there is a lake, there is water. Where there is water, there is possibility. Then, the rover's wheel enters the frame. Metal, strong, unshaken. This wheel isn't just moving forward. It is leaving marks on history. With every rotation, it presses into the Martian soil, almost as if asking, "What have you seen? What are you hiding?" What is Perseverance truly searching for? Just images? No. It is searching for signs of ancient microbial life. On Earth, life began with microscopic organisms. If Mars once had the right conditions, could something similar have existed here? Could these rock layers hold a fossilized trace of something long gone? Now the frame lingers on ripples in the sand. Martian winds constantly reshape the surface. But wind doesn't just erase, sometimes it reveals. What lies beneath these ripples? Could an ancient layer still be waiting to emerge? Every grain of dust is part of a billion-year-old story. Imagine this. Billions of years ago, water flowing across this land. Perhaps microscopic life thriving in those waters. Then suddenly, Mars changed. The water vanished, the atmosphere thinned, and whatever once existed became trapped within these layers. Today, Perseverance is reading those layers. Every image is a clue, every rock is a question. Was Mars once alive? Or is this only a reflection of our curiosity? The truth is still hidden, but not forever, because the next discovery could change human history. For the latest discoveries about Mars, the Moon, and other space, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, The Documentary World. Thanks for watching.